What do you do when you buy a home that you love, but it doesn't speak to your aesthetic or your personality? Well, if you're anything like our homeowner, you renovate every single room until it does. Please step into this beautifully designed and constructed, tranquil, forever home.